Okay, so check this out. In my trunk, and I actually did some research on this and found the right one. I have a refrigerator freezer where I can just put anything in it, and it runs off of my cigarette lighter. And because it's an electric vehicle, the battery never dies. So I've got cold or freezing stuff all the time. Love this, especially in Arizona. The key is, though, you can't have it enclosed because the compressor gets really hot. So if this is enclosed, especially in the summer, it'll get scorching hot. So I usually bend down one of the seats or put down one of the seats so at least that air circulates throughout the cabin. The car gets too hot inside, it'll kind of kick on a little AC. So it works just nicely. I'm gonna put some chocolate milk in there right now.